HR practitioners have a wide variety of points of view around performance management. Should it be the annual review? Should it be once every 6 months, once a quarter, once a week? Should you not have them at all? Different forms, techniques, processes. And while I have a point of view there, I think the most important thing to realize is people need feedback. That feedback needs to be clear, it needs to be well articulated, and it needs to relate to the performance. What am I doing well that you want me to continue? And where am I not doing as well as you would like? And sometimes it's around my functional job, and sometimes it's around my culture. So whatever approach you choose to take as the professional, I think it is critical that you equip the leaders of the organization to give feedback in a structured, regular, and highly effective way.